Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried chicken. So it is very easy to make. Come on, let's get started. First, let's marinate the chicken, and for that, to a bowl, I'm adding half a cup of curd. To this, I'm going to add salt as required. Half a teaspoon of chilli powder. You can adjust this according to your spice level. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix all the ingredients well. There should be no lumps in the curd. And now I have taken 2 thigh pieces. You can take any portions of the chicken. So I'm going to prick it using a fork. By doing this, all the masalas will get inside the chicken well and it would be flavorful. It would not be bland when we deep fry this. Mix it well and let this rest for at least 2 to 3 hours. It would be better if you can also marinate this overnight. And now to coat the chicken, to a plate I'm going to break 1 egg. And to another plate, I'm adding half a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. You can also use the regular ones. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, adding salt as required and pepper as required. Mix it well. The reason why I'm adding salt and pepper to each and every layers that we are going to add is so that each and every layers will be flavorful. It would not be bland. And to the egg, I'm doing the same. I'm adding salt and pepper as required and beat it well. And now after 2 hours, the chicken is well marinated. First, I'm going to coat the chicken in the breadcrumbs, and next in the egg, and then in the breadcrumbs again. So let's do this. And by doing this, the chicken will get a very crunchy layer. The outer crust would be very crispy. So the second is the egg mixture. Dip it well. And then again to the bread mixture. And remove the excess flour, dust it so that when you deep fry, the oil will not get spoiled. And now the oil is ready to deep fry. Ensure that the oil is not too hot. Now let's drop in the chicken. So this is the exact boiling point of the oil. If it is too hot, as soon as we drop in the chicken, it will brown and the chicken will not cook properly. And now let this cook for around 8 to 10 minutes on each side. And now it's been exactly 8 minutes. Let's flip this. Look at the crust, it's just the exact color that I am looking for. And now the other side should cook for the next 8 to 10 minutes. And now it's been exactly 10 minutes and the chicken is cooked perfectly. Let's transfer this to a plate. Our yummy fried chicken is now ready. It's time to taste. It's very hot. The outer layer is very crispy and it is very juicy inside. So I'm dipping some tomato chili sauce. It's too good. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.